Cassie, 18 years old, from Kadingilan, Bukidnon. I have five siblings, and my mother is a housewife, and my father worked as a farmer. We struggled financially, and with that, I was hesitant to pursue higher education and was worried about our family's future. So, PN changed my life so far by giving me hope. I now have skills to aim higher, and I'm determined to break the cycle of poverty in our family. I am currently taking up an associate's degree with a focus on software development at the University of San Jose Recoleto, Cebu. So I start my day early with breakfast, helping with the center tasking and preparing for school. And I commute by riding a jeepney going to our university. And during our classes, I learned more about programming. Though it is challenging, but it sharpens my logic, problem solving, and critical thinking skills. After classes, I usually spend my time in the library because I love reading books and it's my way to explore new concepts and deepen my knowledge. And when I get back here in the center, we have our dinner together. One of my favorite moments in the day is playing the guitar because music sets my mood and it's a big part of my life. And after that, it's time for my homeworks and projects. I want to create an app or a website that address agricultural challenges as that's what my father dreamed of. PN is a hope and opportunity that leads me to a brighter future. To PN supporters and partners, thank you for believing in us. Your support isn't just funding education, but it's investing in every dreams of young individuals like me. Thank you for supporting PN's mission in empowering underprivileged youth through digital education and life skills.